Here's Bruton bee aviary. We're going to show you how we're feeding bees here in South Africa. This is my own little method. Dog food tin. Just a little jar with some holes in it, and then a couple of holes there for bees to come up in. And what's nice with this is you don't get any robbing, because the bees would have to come right through the whole hive to get to it. This is my Kenyan Topbar hive, which I built. Got a huge swarm in there that we caught about 2 weeks ago. And they're doing really nicely in there, as you can see. They've knocked out that comb in like 2 weeks. It's pretty impressive.